In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Outlook. Keeping email organized starts with a simple, reliable place to put things. Today we'll create a brand new folder in Outlook on the web and move messages into it so your inbox feels lighter right away. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search page. In the search box, type Outlook, then press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox in a new tab. After the page loads, you should be looking at your Outlook inbox with the folder list on the left side. If you don't immediately see the sidebar, hover your cursor near the left edge or expand it so the Folders section is visible. Now we'll create the folder. In the left sidebar, locate the Folders area. Next to that section, look for the small three-dot icon, the More Options menu, and click it. This menu controls how your folders are organized and is the quickest way to add a new one. From the list that appears, choose Create New Folder. Outlook will immediately open a text field in your folder list, ready for you to type a name. Type the name you want for your folder and press Enter to save it. Clear, specific names make it easier to find things later, so consider concise labels like Receipts, Travel, or Project, Q1. Avoid special characters that might cause issues. And remember, you can always rename the folder later if you change your mind. Once saved, the new folder appears in your list and typically sits in alphabetical order under your main folders, so it's easy to spot. With the folder created, let's move messages into it. Click a message you want to organize, then drag it from your message list over to the new folder in the left sidebar. When the folder highlights, release your mouse. The email moves instantly out of the inbox and into that folder. You can repeat this for as many emails as you like. If you have several related messages, select them first, using Shift-click for arrange or Control or Command-click for individual picks. Then drag them together to save time. This doesn't delete anything. It simply relocates the emails, and you can open the folder anytime to read, reply, or move messages again. That's all there is to it. You went to the Outlook website, used the three dots to create a new folder, named it, and dragged messages into it. If you keep using this simple routine each time new mail arrives, your inbox will stay tidy and you'll find important messages faster. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.